the sign of a man working on a chain gang. This the sign of a man working on a chain gang. Hey, you guys. Hey, you guys. Let's talk about prisoners. Back in the day, they used to have to do hard labor, very hard labor. And a lot of them didn't want to commit no more crimes because of that hard labor they had to do in prison. So these days, the guys got it much easier in prison. They don't have to work on railroad tracks. They don't have to build bridges. So do you think that is the crime that the guys doing now? Do you think they need to go back to hard labor, or do you think it's fair? I want y'all opinion, you guys. Comment and give me a sweet opinion. Message.